Hi all, we got a F250 here, 2004, and we're gonna set up some new clickers. I bought the truck used, it didn't come with a clicker, so I bought these off eBay. So if you have one, if you look on the back, there's numbers, there's three numbers. Well, on this one there's no numbers. I guess it's a generic one. That might be why I'm having problems. But usually there's three numbers. And I think one of them is like a US number, one of them is a Canada number, and one of them is a Ford number. As long as the US number matches, you'll be okay. So they're actually pretty easy to set up. I just put new batteries in mine. That's why I'm going through this again, and it's actually pretty easy. I figured I'd show you what's going on. Yeah, I just used a screwdriver and I popped it open here. And just be careful you don't lose the battery. So it's just a normal watch battery. It's at DL2032. I think the CR is the same thing. CR2032. Some of them, they're a different thickness. There's some that are really thin. These are about the thickness of a quarter. So this just sits inside this little spot here. And you can see here it says put the plus side down. So the big flat side is the plus side. So that just goes down in there. Okay, what I found on these is these little things here that connect to the battery. I had to pry these up with a knife because they were really flat. Now I'm able to catch them with my fingernail. So it's just like a flashlight, you know. You got to pry the spring a little bit, and then there's a rubber seal along the edge here. That's so moisture can't get inside there. Just make sure you don't mess that up. So you can see there's really not much to it. And then close this back up. It just snaps. Okay. And I got 4 of them here. You can see down there. So go through the directions here. You're going to program your keyless remotes. Your vehicle may be a little different, but I think they're all pretty much well the same. Ensure the vehicle is electronically unlocked. So go over here to the key and lock, unlock. Put the key in the ignition. Put the key in the ignition. Where's the ignition here? Okay, key in the ignition. Don't lose the page. And then here's the tricky part. Turn the key from the 2 lock position. See how they've got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 is like when you 2 is right when you insert the key. So there's 2. Okay. 1 would be like if you turn it backwards and you just get the parking lights. So 2 is just your normal off position. Okay. And then here's the tricky part. Turn the key from 2 to 3. So from 2 to 3. So we're going, I'm getting a glare here, from 2 to 3. So that's just the next click. Okay. And then cycle 8 times between 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. And here you have to do that within 10 seconds. So, and then you'll hear the locks go up and down. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it didn't work that time, so we'll try it again. So, two position, or 3. Okay. So here we're in the 2 position. We go up to 3 position, and then we got to go 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what you're supposed to hear, once you hit it right, the locks go up and down. Okay, so this has to be unlocked. So we'll unlock it. And if I do it right, I might be able to get it to work, right? So, 2 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you heard the locks go up and down, and then press any key on your clicker. Okay, so that one's set. That one's set. That one's set. So this is the bad one. Shoot. Okay, T1. See, that's why I marked them so I know what's what. I got one. Okay, there it worked. Okay, so, and then when you're done, just turn it off. Okay. So T1 is the one that's giving me a hard time. It says turn ignition to 3. The doors will lock in, unlock to confirm the remote entry transmitter has been programmed. Repeat steps 8, and then to finish it, turn off the ignition to 3 position after you've finished programming all the remote. If more than 20 seconds have passed, you need to start the procedure over again. Okay. So we got to go through it again. Okay, so step 1, unlock the car electronically. Put the key in the ignition, go up to the first position there, then cycle it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll hear the doors go up and down, the locks, and then press any key. So that time 2 is giving me a hard time. One's working now, so for some 2 is giving me a hard time now. Okay, and then go down and go down one. And now we'll see if it works. So 2 is the one that was giving me a hard time yesterday, 2. So that was T1. So T1 works. What's this? Let's do T2. Where's T2? T2 is giving me a hard time. T2 is junk. T3. T4. Okay, so I hope this helps. See ya. Bye. Okay, so what I did was I went back inside and I pulled up them little gold tabs so I get a better connection on the battery, and now it's working. I mean, I really pulled them up high, so for some reason it wasn't getting a connection. Works now. Okay, see ya. Bye. That's not my dog, that's my niece's boyfriend's dog. We kind of got stuck with it. See ya. Bye. Okay, I'm back inside T1. That's the one that's giving me a hard time. I found that if I just hold the battery next to it like this, it works. So I'm not getting a connection on these guys here. So I'm just going to use a little ice pick here and bend these out a little bit. Just a hair. That should do. Bend these up a little bit. Don't pull out the motherboard, huh? Okay. Put the battery back in, positive down. Seems to work now. So. Okay, see ya, bye.